This is the 718 Cayman GT4. I'm Darren, and welcome to our All Access vlog. This manual spec 982 Cayman GT4 is in for a vehicle protection package, which includes a selection of one of our detailing programs, a choice of paint protection film which is custom installed and upgraded with one of our window tints. For this unit, the client opted for our Elements detailing program. The Elements detailing program is highly configurable and can target specific areas of the car, which makes it perfect for new cars like this. Our experienced technicians will ensure that special parts that come with the Club Sport package are detailed correctly, such as the full bucket seats and roll cage. The steering wheel also has the top center marking in red and a chrono stopwatch instrument dial, which adds to the track-ready specifications of the car. The 20-inch 718 Cayman GT4 Platinum with satin finish wheels are also detailed and treated with our hybrid ceramic coating. To protect the newly refined Gentian Blue metallic paintwork, we custom installed Clear Guard Alpha. This PPF is designed to protect gloss finish paintwork for up to 10 years and doubles the gloss of a vehicle after an installation. Our custom installation ensures that all panels are covered and edges are seamless. ClearGuard Alpha is a high-tech PPF system that features a newly developed plasma memory system that heals instantly when lightly scratched. Lastly, the GT4 is installed with our flagship window tint, Spectra PhotoSync IRD. The tint features infrared radiation dispersion technology that blocks up to 99% of infrared rays, UVA and UVB radiation with a total solar energy rejection rate of up to 80%. Apart from providing shielding against the hot sun, the tint also helps to keep cabin temperatures cool, reducing air condition usage and elevating cabin comfort. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. I'm Darren, and thanks for watching.